Yeah, but then again, my people, man, I speak up and respect to each and everyone. As I say, now to each and every Jamaicans, I don't know about other persons out there in the world. You ever hear about a thing or a situation where they call me Bible and Key, you know? This Bible and Key thing where claims to be some type of voodoo or witchcraft. Some people go as far as call it obia, were used to find out the truth, like if somebody thieves something or so forth. You see me? But I like to tell me if you believe in it, if you don't believe in it. You see me? I say, me 50-50 because sometimes I wonder. You see? But here I'm going to present a video to you. I'm going to look at this video that shows a type of key and a book. I'm going to really take the need to tell you what that book might be. You see me? So I'm going to look at the video and listen to some words that have been said, viewers and subscribers. Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by my true living God, at the end to take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by my true living God, at the end to take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by my true living God, at OJ take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by my true living God, at OJ take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true living God, a poco take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true living God, a poco take money. Poco give me blood. Spin. Oh, you mean not spin? You want to feel it? Alright, hold this. Feel it first. Hold this. You on the timber? By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true and living God, OJ take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true and living God, OJ take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true and living God, Identity take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true and living God, Identity take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true and living God, a poco take money. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, by me true and living God, a poco take money.
Well, it kind of look away if this is a names call and the thing somewhat spin, you know, at a certain name call. But look, I'm a seminar believe, but me somewhat find it hard to accept certain things when it comes on to anything to do with it. You know, like witchcraft and so forth. But then again, as a person who believes in a God, if you don't believe in a spiritual things, then that's a something. All them things I'm look at the people. Let me know what you think about that. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica, who was traveling in two separate motor vehicles, stopped at a location within the country of Jamaica. I'm going to take a look at this video and get an understanding as to what happened when police officers stopped at a location in Jamaica. Observe.
Don't choke him up. Whoa, man. True, man. Then just pass up there, look, man. You can't take my phone from me. I'll in the attack. Madman. Let's get on the boy.
What a pull up, eh? What a pull up the people that they pull up there. I mean, that's a pull up, you know, two motor vehicles, law enforcement. So all those persons who was on that motorcycle, I tell you, what a pull up. Alright, my people, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I'm going to present another video to you. I'm going to listen to some words that a person said in this video. Because in my point of view, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said or claimed that someone said some words to him that I would consider to be inappropriate. You see me, some people, in my point of view, it sounds like slackness. The person said somebody said to him. You see me? That's in my point of view. So I'm going to present video to you, make you look and listen, and you tell me what you think about these words that the person said. Now, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
So first, I go do, well, some of my second video I ever do. I know so I'm there on location down on the waterfront, my work. Thing just happen, I swear. See this car drive up and it stop me. Security guard me though, in my uniform. So I approach a vehicle. So the hombre turned to me and say, Siki, which part think you can get some if you buy? And I say, oh, I forgot to rip on the road, you know. So I said to him, I say, oh, you know, I gas to rip on the road, right? And I say, oh.
Yes.
And I say, oh, you can't come out earlier, man, you can't. Hold on, glorious. It's whole body down there, man. You see me? So he said to me, say, how long now me there as I work? I say, 1 year and 8 months me there as I work, you know. So man I say, you never f***ing girl in the guardhouse yet? I say, no sir. Man say, I lie at you, no most girl in the guardhouse. I say, no sir. Man say, he say, you buy. Me I say, me use but me stop. The man say, so why you stop? Me say, oh, no me get a you though. I say, that makes sense. I take my son money go get and get a home. And I know me don't want it. The man turned to me and said, people,
Yes.
if me open-minded, I say, what you talk about? Man say, look, you know. I say, brother, just continue to drive for me now. The man say, sick, you look at. Me have 5 grand. I say, 5 grand for. You want me an engine for drive. I say, just continue to drive for me now. Man say, Siki, me have 10 grand. I have to say, brother, just continue to drive for me now, brother. I say, brother, just continue to drive for me. Why? I get right. And them bright with it. Honestly, if you go burn out, if you burn out, you brother. You can't go burn out back alone. You if you burn out, brother. Anything you wrong, brother. But I get too bright with it. Since yesterday, Friday, I come and work, brother, I see a girl at a bus stop. I straight things is a look at 2 women brawling at a bus tongue, a bus stop, brother. Anything wrong, my youth? God see I know.
Well, I'm so say something to you.
Look
Well,
how nice. And then man I go tell you say, come make me I go jail if you have money. No brother.
Alright, now my people. The person, some words of the person said basically gave me the understanding that the person said, rip on road. Like the person said, okay, you can't go there, so for go, ray, whatever. You see me? But they want to get too deep in the point there. But the point is, it's like the person said, no gas. Then how comes all of a sudden money come in play for go do whatsoever did me? Hey, you're all them slackness to my people. Now, overall, my people, it is not right for anyone to bring certain type of inappropriate conversation to a person who them don't know or a person who the person just meet. You see me? Whether it wants to be out in the public or at a certain location. You see it? And I find it very inappropriate for someone, especially a stranger, to bring certain type of inappropriate conversation to someone who is on the job or at work. You see it? I find that inappropriate and nobody should ever do something like that. So listen to me now. I have a problem with the way how a person wants to live his or her life. Don't get me wrong. I don't business with that person's way of how they want to live his or her life. As I say, but Once me say you do certain things when me not really with me, I go leave you alone. Like for instance now, a person say my bad man and my gunman and me no want dead nowhere near that the person there. You get me? So you can go live your life where you want to live. Me no business with you. Saying, but me no think it right if you try to bring your way of life upon somebody when I want that way of life. And so me look upon life. But tell me what you think, my people. You tell me what you think, you know. And I think I yes, I'm gonna leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.